Hello guys, my name is Muzaffar. I am here to create a video based on the Firestore database API that has to be kept inside the AppGyver applications. The purpose of my video is to learn and for those who are struggling and wants to know the information about how to create a REST API URL and has to be placed inside the AppGyver application from the Firestore database. So let's begin with it. So actually, what is Firestore database? Firestore database is a Google Cloud's computing platform developed by the Google for the mobile and the web application. So this is the Firestore database. Here you can see that I already have created a project. So this is my project. You can see in my screen. This is the demo one. I have already created it. And when you go inside the Cloud Firestore, so in this Cloud Firestore I have created a database. The name of the database is demo, and inside this there is a three columns: collection, documents, and the field with respect to their properties and values. I have given the name of the collection as schools. You can give any name, and you just have to follow the instruction the next step, and it will guide you automatically that how to add the documents. Just click on the next button and it will pop up you and take you all the way. So I would add the documents and make the changes in my database, and so you can have a look inside the AppGyver application. So this is one I have already created uh, with the ID1, ID2, and ID3 with the respect to the properties such as city, ID, name, phone number, and their values. And here in the AppGyver application, you can see. So I will add the database, and you can see the instant changes in my AppGyver applications that is fetching from the Firestore database. So I will begin it by adding one more documents. So here I will give the auto ID4, the field name with all the properties should be remain same. So this type will be strings, and let's say the name of the schools like any academy or any learning institute like Joseph Learning Institute. Then I will add the another field city, which I will give in name Calgary. Then ID, I will change the type string to number and place the value 4, and then last the phone number. Same thing, the phone number should be type number and the value, and then save it. So here you can see I have added the documents and the properties and their values in the database. So now I need the REST API URL that has to be kept inside the AppGyver application. So how should I get the REST API? So you can see here, this is the link that I have get from the Firestore documents. What I need is the project ID, and then my collection name just have to be changed. So I will grab the project ID name and the collection name and place it in my URL, and I have to split the URL in AppGyver application. So I will show you how this will. So before that I would like to have the project ID. So I will get the ID from here. You go inside the settings, project settings, and you can see the project ID. Every project has the unique ID, so this is my project ID. I will fetch it from here, and then this will be my project ID. I will kept it over here inside the AppGyver application, and this is the collection name. The collection name is school's name, so I will grab just this both information. And now let's switch to move to AppGyver. This is my AppGyver application. I will go into my project. So this is my project. Now before that I have to go into the database from where the data is coming. So inside the inside this AppGyver application, go into the data resources. So in the data, as you can see that I have given the name demo. So the same name, it would be easier for you to give the same name and with demo. And once you created it, you have to select the REST API direct integrations. So when you selected it, you can see I have given the same name, and same you can give any short description like demonstration or anything. And resource URL, here you have to place the URL link like I said before. You have to place the split, you have to split the URL link until v1. So I have selected from here, and the rest of the URL you have to kept inside get collection, and inside get collection you can place it from, you can kept it over here. And response keyword, you can give the name documents. Why you have to give the game name documents? Because this is the documents collections that I want to display all the database information in my AppGyver. So that's why I have given the name the documents. And then I will test this application. So once you run the test, I will get all the database in the JSON format file. So now I would like to set the schema. So this schema will set it from here, and you can go inside the field and you can see that I got all the fields and with their properties such as city, ID, name and phone number with their values. So this way I got the schema and set up the URL in my AppGyver application. So now I have to set up the data variables to fetch these data resources for the link. So when you go inside the variables, data variables, and you can go inside the demo and you can click on the collection of data records, because what I need is the collection of all the records that is coming from the database, not a single record. If you select the single record, then you will get only the particular properties and their values, but I would like to have the collection of data. So I will select this option and then save it. So now I will refresh my web page, or you can see that it's automatically changes and my database has been updated. So this way you can fetch the data from the Firestore database using API. So I hope this video might find helpful for you guys. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video, and you guys have a great day. Thank you.